Hi everyone, welcome to another Chinita cooking session. I'm really excited about today's episode because I'm going to be showing you guys how to make two authentic Mexican salsas. One is the salsa molcajeteada, it's made in a mortar and pestle, and a salsa verde with avocados. So let's check out the ingredients. So for our salsa molcajeteada, we need 3 tomatoes, a quarter of an onion, a chile serrano, and some garlic, also some salt to season. And check out my beautiful mortar and pestle. It's made from volcanic rock. It's handcrafted, and it's an incredible way to serve the salsa once it's prepared. For our green salsa with avocado, we need 2 avocados, we need cilantro, 4 small green tomatoes, 1 chile cuaresmeño, some lime juice, salt. I'm going to serve my salsas with tlacoyos, which are corn dough pockets filled with beans, or requesón, which is a fresh type of cheese, or chicharrón, which are my favorite. For the salsa molcajeteada, we're going to put our tomatoes, onion, and chili directly into the pan and let them get charred. We're almost done, so you guys can see how beautiful the char is on these tomatoes. Depending on how much you love that char flavor, you leave the tomatoes on longer on the heat, but I don't really like it that burnt. I think that this is fine for me. We're gonna get our garlic with a teaspoon of salt, and we're gonna break it in to our mortar and pestle. You can see we're starting to get a paste. Then we add our tomatoes and our chili, and just with some wrist movement, break in the chili and the tomatoes. Now I'm gonna add my onion. I don't like to break in the onion with the rest of the tomatoes. I like to roughly chop them so that this salsa gets an even chunkier texture. And our salsa molcajeteada is done. And now for our salsa verde with avocado. First we have our green tomatoes, onion, and garlic in our food processor, and we're going to chop them up. Next, add your cilantro, the juice of 1 lime, the chili, and of course, the avocado. And look at that, it's ready. Oh, I'm so excited. I love this salsa. This has to be one of my favorite salsas all time in Mexico. Look how thick and wonderful, vibrantly green this sauce is. Our tlacoyos are ready, and now we're going to prepare them. We're going to add salsa verde. Oh, I'm salivating. Look how gorgeous. Some salsa de molcajete, some sour cream, and for a little extra heat, I'm gonna add some of my salsa matcha oil, which I uploaded the recipe a few weeks back, so you can check out the video, and it just really gives this tlacoyo an extra spicy kick. This is so delicious. This combination of salsas with the sour cream, the chunky charred onions, this is phenomenal. And this tlacoyo is filled with pork rind, chicharrón. I love to get them really crispy, really toast them on the saucepan so that they get the crunch, that crunchy exterior. I'm so happy that I prepared these salsas for you guys. They're really easy to make, and generally you can get all of these ingredients in any part of the world. The green tomatoes may be a little bit harder to find, but if you have access to them, make this sauce. It's like a guacamole salsa verde. Everything is raw. All of the ingredients are raw, and these salsas are just amazing. You can add them to tacos, to rice, anything you like. So I really hope you enjoyed this episode. It was my pleasure preparing everything for you guys. And till next time, Chinita out. I always forget to say, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Bye bye.